Hi guys, welcome back to Avengers of Nathan and Ethan. Today I'm a paleontologist. A paleontologist is a scientist what studies fossils. This is a dino fossil, this a fossil, and this kit is a fossil too. Not a T-Rex. I see purple rock. This is a geode. A geode is a kind of crystal. A geode is a kind of rock what's made of melted lava. When I go inside, it looks white. You see? Here? See right here in the magnifying glass? This is my digging tool and I have to add a little water to the What is that? What is that that's so hard? Yeah. There's something hard in this because if I put here, I found is a crystal. Can see it. It feels like it's bumpy. It smells like what I don't know. Yeah, it's a brown, not brown and white. I'm going to open this one. What are you going to think what's inside of it? Dino poop, but I'm opening it. What you think what dino poop smells like? Ew. I'm going to use a digging tool and water to see what's inside. Copyright is poop would turn hard. The paleontologist use a dino poop to figure out what the animal was doing. Not only the bones, poop too. Ew. Eaten. It's not food. Let's start reviewing. I'll get a little more water in there. So this is reviewing. I found is, well, I don't know this, and this is a shell. The rock black. I found in dino poop is a shell, and I don't know what it is. It feels pink, and it looks like the color is black, and the shell feels smooth. It looks round. I think the dinosaur ate is seafood, then poop it out. All the things I found is an animal. Next, I don't know what it isn't enough shell. I hope you learned what a paleontologist does. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.